I'm going to be giving you an overview before we get into the chapters and headings lesson. So what you're going to be doing is exploring different texts and analyzing how they have used headings and chapters within their text. You will do some group work and you will also do some individual work as it relates to this lesson. The final product after you have learned about how to correctly use chapters and headings in text is you are going to explore resources like this called Earth Movers where there are no chapters or headings for you. It is going to be your responsibility to take sticky notes and insert where you think an appropriate place would be to put headings or chapters. Again, you will also see a different article that you might work with to insert your own chapters or headings as you see appropriate. Before you start doing this on the computer, you will use sticky notes with a partner to sticky note where you think chapters and headings should go, and then your final product will be turning it into a video presentation explaining where you put chapters and headings and why.